Hello, learners. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today is day 25 of our daily English journey. In this lesson, we'll practice a long and complete air ticket booking conversation. This will help you communicate clearly at airports, travel agencies, or online call centers. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to keep making daily English lessons for you.
And remember to activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new lessons. Now let's start today's extended practice.
1. Arrival at the airline counter.
Good morning. Welcome to Global Sky Airlines. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to book an airplane ticket, please.
Of course. Are you booking for yourself or for someone else?
I'm booking for myself.
All right. Could you please tell me your travel destination?
I'm planning to travel to Singapore.
Okay, Singapore. And when would you like to travel?
I want to leave on September 10th. I'm not sure about the return date yet.
No problem. So would you prefer a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket with a flexible return date?
I think a round-trip ticket would be better, but I want the return date to be flexible.
We do have a flexible ticket option. You can change the return date later without paying an additional fee. Would you like that option?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Let me check our flights for September 10th. We have 3 flights available. 7:10 a.m. includes breakfast. 12:45 p.m. includes lunch. 8:30 p.m. no meal service. Do you have a time preference?
I'd like to arrive in Singapore before evening, so the 12:45 p.m. flight is the best option for me.
Great. The 12:45 p.m. flight has comfortable timing and meal service included. I'll reserve that for you. Before I continue, do you have any seat preferences? We have window seats, aisle seats, front row seats, extra legroom, and middle seats.
I prefer a window seat. I like looking outside during the flight.
Window seats are popular. Let me check availability. Yes, we have window seats available in rows 14, 17, and 22. Which row would you prefer?
Row 14, please.
Perfect. I'll reserve the window seat in row 14 for you. Next, which class would you like? Economy class, premium economy, business class, first class. Premium economy offers extra legroom and a larger meal. Business class includes lounge access and priority boarding.
I'll choose economy class this time.
No problem. Economy class is comfortable and includes a meal and a 20-kilogram checked baggage allowance. Now I will need your personal details. May I have your full name as it appears on your passport?
Sure. My name is Fio.
Thank you. And may I also have your date of birth?
Yes, it's XP8271602.
Great. And your passport number, please?
It's
Got it. And finally, what is your nationality?
I'm Myanmar.
Thank you. I've recorded all your personal information. Next, would you like to choose a meal preference? We offer standard meal, vegetarian meal, vegan meal, seafood meal, halal meal, gluten-free meal.
I'll choose the halal meal.
All right, halal meal selected. Now for baggage options, your ticket includes 20 kilograms of checked baggage. Would you like to add more? We offer extra 10 kilograms, extra 20 kilograms, extra 30 kilograms.
I think 20 kilograms is enough. I'll stick with the standard baggage.
Great, no additional baggage. Would you like to add travel insurance? It covers lost luggage, flight delays, medical emergencies, travel cancellations. The cost is 18 USD.
Yes, please add the travel insurance.
Good choice. Travel insurance is always helpful. Now let me calculate your total fare. Your ticket details are round trip flexible return, economy class, window seat row 14, halal meal, 20 kilograms of baggage and travel insurance included. Total $325. Would you like to confirm the booking?
Yes, please confirm it.
All right. How would you like to make the payment? Credit card, debit card, cash, or mobile payment, Apple Pay or Google Pay?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Great. Please tell me the name on the card
The name is Fio.
and the last 4 digits of the card.
They are 7826.
Thank you. Your payment is being processed. Perfect. The payment was successful. Let me confirm everything one last time. Destination, Singapore. Departure, September 10th, 12:45 p.m. Return date is flexible. Economy class, window seat row 14, halal meal, 20 kilograms of checked baggage, and travel insurance included. Total $325. Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is correct. Thank you.
I will now send you your e-ticket and booking confirmation to your email. May I have your email address?
It's feel@gmail.com.
Thank you. Your e-ticket has been sent. Please check your inbox and also your spam folder just in case. Do you have any other questions, for example, about boarding time, luggage rules, or airport check-in?
Yes, what time should I arrive at the airport?
For international flights, we recommend arriving 3 hours before departure. So for your 12:45 p.m. flight, please arrive around 9:45 a.m.
All right, I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you for watching today's extended English lesson. If you enjoyed this air ticket booking practice, please like this video and subscribe to Learn English Moments.
And please share this lesson with friends who are learning English for travel. See you again in tomorrow's lesson. Keep learning and keep improving.